Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about what is GitHub Student Developer Pack and the services which are provided by GitHub Student Developer Pack. So first of all, what you will have to do is type in Google GitHub Student Developer Pack and then click the first result which appears on Google. So you will be landed on this site. So scroll down. If you are looking any for a particular service or offer, you can choose from here: domain developer tool, then learn marketing, mobile cloud security, and analytics and all. So if you don't know what is GitHub Student Developer Pack, it is a service provided by GitHub where students get free access to various services or with discount which are very expensive. So through the GitHub Student Developer Pack you can access all these expensive services freely or with the discount. So if you don't know how to apply for GitHub Student Developer Pack, don't worry, I have written whole article on that, so I will leave link in the description. Do check that out. So let's see what are the services which are provided by GitHub. So first is a Canva, which is a design platform where you can create various design for your daily work or social media. You will get 12 month of subscription for Canva Pro. After 12 month you will have to buy a subscription from your side with your money. The second one is Namecheap. You will get 1 year of .me domain, so with SSL certificate for 1 year free. So just keep in mind, you will not get any commercial domain from here, so just you will get .me domain. Then JetBrain, educative, name.com. Here you also get one domain free. Then here we have DigitalOcean. You will get $100 in a platform credit for new user. Then GitHub page, tech.com. You will get 1 year of tech.com domain free. Datacamp, a 3 month of individual subscription for student where you can learn various coding language and another courses. Then we have Atom, a GitHub expert campus. So here you will also be able to apply for GitHub campus expert. So I have also written an article on this. I will leave the link in the description so you can read there more. So here what is HazeOver? So it is a productive tool for a Mac user. So today we will be seeing this how to get.
Think that we're overdue. You and I.
So to use these services, what you have to do is sign in with your account. I have signed in. So as you can see, explore more services, click on it, then scroll down. So we are going to see HazeOver. So let's say get access by connecting your GitHub access on Azure. Click on it. Then subscribe to a newsletter. So just click on it and sign in with GitHub. So make sure you grant this permission, authorize. So this is my license key. So let's download this. Okay, let me open. It's downloaded. Install it.
I think I've fallen for you, and I don't know why.
Let's check, it should be installed right now.
You love that summer rain in mid-July. My last name fits you better. When I'm with you, there's no pressure. I miss your worn-out sweaters. Weather couldn't compromise our love. I spent too much time on us, and I think.
So make sure you give the necessary permission to it.
Gotta tell you all my secrets, and you know that just ain't easy for me. Oh baby, won't you come to my town? Last time around, you ain't come to my house. Stay for a while, me, my mama, and my family.
Now let's open multiple app and see how it's work. Now I have Chrome over here, then I have the security, then I'm going to open another application, books. So as you can see, there are three multiple application open in my screen, but when I click on this, it reduces the background brightness of application, so one can focus on one application like reading or like Chrome. So this is how it works. If you want this application on your machine, so you can install or download from here, and this is your license key which you can use to get access for free. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.